Hi, I'm Luke from O'Brien Engineering. This is Material Mondays, where we focus on one of our specialty materials from our extensive range. This is coloured stainless. It can be purchased as a sheet, or we can process here in-house, cut and fold to create a custom product to meet your specific requirements. This is called coloured stainless because there is a very unique process that takes place within the manufacturing. It's called the interference of light, which is aided by chemicals to create brilliant gold, copper, black and a variety of colours. Coloured stainless is quite unique in terms of it gives you an aesthetic finish that has great properties of stainless, which allow you to use it outdoors or in harsher environments when compared to, say, brass. Being stainless, it's quite heavy, so it has that feeling and substance behind it that makes it feel more premium. The best applications I've seen it for have been in signage. I do find that nicely laser cut and stood off a wall typically is very eye-catching. So this is the brushed gold stainless, 2mm thick. This has been laser cut here in-house on our CO2. You can see it's got really crisp, clean cut lines without any negative effect to the coating, which then makes it perfect to be engraved or become signage or something along those lines. For this particular piece, it's been laser cut here in-house by us, and for the purpose of showing engraving, it's been engraved on a CO2 laser utilising our thermal marking spray, Laser Bond. You can see it's got a nice dark mark with that beautiful brushed gold finish. Great for emulating a brass plaque, but having the properties of stainless, easier to work with, and it's marine grade. What we find with the coloured stainless is because its core product is marine grade stainless or 304 depending on what you're using it for, it has all the versatility of stainless, so it folds nice, it cuts brilliantly, nice edge, welding studs on the rear, or applying a thermal marking spray like our Laser Bond. It's very versatile, and again, without some of the headaches that you might associate with coloured metals.